Food is ready. Oh, yes, ban papo. Orokodo. Azanaya kondo. One thing I love about brown rice, it doesn't take long to cry, then the food is ready. Brown rice and we are unchili biano I've been shown cookwanami, cookwanams. The uncookwanamsalization. You will find a carne sochoso. Unkukwanama angwa. Enya brizo de dona. Don't call it jollof rice. Na my friend jollof rice. It's not your condo. Ooh. Is this this is spring onion. It's optional on your by force. A condo. Voila. I'm trying to find your name. You know how I feel. Food is ready. Everybody should come. I bet you was. Oh, yezi banapapo. What's a condolicious? Voila. Hello. Oh, yezi banapapa family. How are you guys doing? Say pezi banapapa. Oh, yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, I am very hungry. But at the same time, as you know, Hilda's kitchen, I don't like outside food like takeaway and stuff, so I always want to prepare something and eat, and I always love to share with you guys. If today is your first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel Hilda's Kitchen and put your notification bell right by the subscribe button, so every video I am going to upload, you are going to get the good girl on your phone. That's right. Don't forget to share our videos, especially to the youth as well. Now one more bonji data in as you go. Or kodo or yezi ban papo. Today the thing or the food I am going to prepare, I don't even know the name I am going to give to this particular food, but I just want to cook something and eat. That's right. Not something like something anyhow. Yes. So over here I have my chicken thighs. I've already washed them very nicely. I have my baking butter over here, or margarine, however you call it in your country where you are. This is onion. I love onion. I know wazima yedo. That's right. Mom bonjidu data. I have brown rice or bobajido. I don't know whether I should cook it separate or I should, do the boss up thingy. We will see when we get there. We will cross when we get there. I have my tomato and chili. This is already made sauce. You can easily eat it with your rice or pasta. Because I am hungry, I don't want to stay there and chill my tomatoes and stuff. I have black pepper over here. This is garlic, mawajono. And then aroma, you use aroma versus aromat or boboajidu data and korma cooking sauce. It's very nice and it's going to be simple as you saw here. I don't have a lot of nyama biala waha more kind the mombonjidu data. So let's get on with our cooking. Data or kindly don't skip through the video because this is not, I won't call it recipe. This is a kwamazo recipe. A kwamazo sharply papa bina mombonjidu data. So this is butter or margarine, yeah, about 2 full tablespoons or boajidu data. I hope I had the wasn't talk crazy. Oh yezi ban papo. Garlic and now that our onion is see through, it's nice and soft or juicy and kasa. Let's add some black pepper, some aromas. At this time, as you can see, the onion is very nice and soft. Why juicy and kasa. So I'm now going to add my chicken thighs to the onion. That's right. The aroma. Obobaji data. Don't skip through the video because it's going to be powerfully gorgeous. I'm not going to add any water or anything to it. I'm just going to put the lid on. Nanalon toba onion.
Papa, oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen.
Hilda's Kitchen.
Good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen.
Say Pizza Pan Papa. A bit to my friend Hilda's Kitchen. Ewo 079 909 97527.
Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment.
Wow. Sisi anya chicken is why are condolicious and look at the juice, you know. Hey, that's why I'm telling you, onion is good. It gives you, you know, the flavor. Hey, why are condo? Yeah, now I'm going to add my korma sauce to it. I want you to read what is in the korma, what is made with, so you can, you know, also try it. It's very nice. It's very, very, very nice. So this is what it contains. We have some coconut, some ginger, you know. So, and now this time I am adding it. Oh God! Oh boy, the dates as in the bed. Wow! Oh yes, oh. Wow, what a juicelicious. Juicelicious with sharpacelicious. Wow, as in a condo. Wow, it is going to be absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. Hey, Hilda's Kitchen, the best chef in Leeds. UK in our chef in Captain Planet in one farm, mommy. Very creamy. How do you see it? Why I don't cut on one? Oh, rough. You can get this sauce in any supermarkets in UK, any supermarkets. That's right.
Hilda's Kitchen, good food.
Let's add our tomato and chili. Wow, Charlie. The case is getting hot. Honestly, this case is absolutely getting hot. When you're gonna Charlie. Hey, you were fan of brown cotton one on Yaguna. This one, we bought this tino. We bought peanut soup. Baby, wow, Charlie. You have for connection in you. Now, I wash as him away. Man, fair morning woman, na de money and one cent. Charlie comes them rough shake. Why that brown cotton one? Oh, papa. Oh, but you data hide us and takras on easy. Wow, beautiful. It was as in my wine. I can't wait to move for cotton young. Really starved. So I'll add everything in it. Let's make it all one pot. Papa baby. Condo. Yeah, bro, from cotton converses on young gonna. The case is hot. Onions, oh, but you don't cast while I shall some. You will find all in one go, papa. You can boil your rice or cook your rice aside. So comment the work, Charlie. The a common ornament. We'll find my pattern. I'm wow, beautiful. This time, I'm not going to add any water to the rice now. I want the rice itself to absorb to absorb the juice before I'll add in water. No more bonji dates. Voila. Oh yes, ban pop. Oh yes, ban pop. Voila. Oh, baby. Okay. At this time, I can add the water and cover. No buedra na wa be nem dizzy. It is looking tantalizing. I know you call this jollof, but I will not call it jollof. Yeah, and that's it. Only our brothers in it. Yeah, this one our Igbo uno. Any challenge. Going to cover. The buedra. Let's go plate it up.
Even Papa, oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen.
Hilda's kitchen.
Good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's kitchen.
Say Pizziban Papa. A bit to my friend Hilda's kitchen. Ewo 079 909 97527.
Hilda's kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment.